Hey guys, it's me. This is the wrap-up video for the card wrap-up video for the January Stamps of Life kit, because that's pretty much how life is rolling right now. Yay collection. I did an unboxing for it, I'm pretty sure. So if you want to see the contents, you'll have to go back and look at that video because I've used it at this point. I had quite a bit of it left over. This twine, I had both of the ribbons left, but I kind of try to keep all of my Stamps of Life stuff together, even though I have at this point unsubscribed to the actual monthly card kit. Because I still have 3 or 4 over there to do, and I just wrapped this one up. So here's the paper pack. I do save this so you guys can see at least the paper that I was working with. I did have this washi tape left, and 3 whole sheets of paper left, and a bunch of little scrippy scraps, which are actually pretty substantial in size. And I had cut that out, was going to use it on a card, did not work out, so. Oh, and these. Anyway, so that's what was left over. I used all the... I did not. I still have 1 whole sheet of white paper left. Anyway, so here are 2 cards. Hello. I used all the little enamel dots. I did bring in a few other dies like this one here. This scalloped one, that's a Sizzix die. But that's the Yay, and I cut it out 3 times and I put them together just like Amy R does on her channel, and it just gives it a little more depth to it. It's quite pleasing to the eye. Anyway, this one is a loner. I normally do 2, but for some reason this guy's by himself, so here we are. And these puffy stickers came from Michael's, and it's just the Recollections brand, and they have like multiple colors on it, but I did the washi tape on this one and on the inside there. These this is a rub-on that if you ever order from My Sentiments Exactly, they will, I don't know, they used to, I don't know if they still do it, but they will always send you little rub-ons, like a little thank you gift. But this ribbon was from an older kit that I had left over, and I just store all my leftovers in my little container, as you can see. Now here, I wanted to show you these. These are my Gina Marie dies that I got in. I think I showed you guys them, but it's like a quilting die, and I cut them out and I pieced those on together. And I used obviously the circles that came in there. I kept them, the rest of them are kind of plain. I don't know, again, I'm kind of coming out of my card stage is maybe why. So, now this is my other Gina Marie die. I'm trying to get it for you so you can see it, because it just cuts out the, you can handle one more candle. And I highly suggest you not doing it on a piece of cardstock that says Yay, because you can't really see it. So, yeah, these are really plain cards. So, but, I mean, they're not bad men's birthday cards is what I was thinking on those. Because, you know, men aren't all about the frill and thrill. And, you know, I love my monochromatic cards. Actually, I've got a few of them in here. You saw the turquoise one already. Here's the black and white. I did some of the insides, not all the insides, but again, this is cool for a male friend if I were sending it to a male guy. Oh gosh, it's late, guys. I went with yellow. You can see I went with glossy accents on some of the suns, not all of them. Just a few here and there to pop them. I needed to check, make sure that ink didn't close all or soak all the way in. But I didn't actually back this one, I just inked the edges, save a little paper. But I did do the, that's a cheap China dye on that one. Oh, you know what I was going to show you guys on this one? These are the cheap China dye. Probably shouldn't call it that, I'm sorry guys. I got it off of the Wish app. Look how huge that E is and how little those L's are. But I mean, they were like $2 for the entire alphabet. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. But it doesn't look horrible, is how I feel about it. For $2, I could live with it. Nobody else is going to probably even notice it. This one I thought was cute because start your morning with a smile and with coffee. Duh. Hi, my there. Hi, my. Hi there, friends. So, yeah, those were cute. And then these two, I flattened my Nouveau drop because I put this one on it too early. But these are Nouveau drops. And again, male birthday card was, I don't know, I guess I was just thinking I needed them. I haven't even gone through my cards lately. I've been the worst about sending birthday cards this year. Like, the worst. I had really got on my game about it last year, but this year, not so much. So, anyway, I had got this one from the Circle Mini for Circles stamp set. I just popped the happy birthday one out of here. Right there. And this is a cute set, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, the 1-inch punch punches that out. It was a really good set. I think I had gotten that, sorry guys, I had gotten that with my gift certificate, because when you subscribe for so long, you get a gift certificate. But these are two of my favorites, though. These were some of the leftovers from the cutouts from the, these quilting things here. The Gina Marie die. And these I used as like little shelves. This one, I have to say, this is my favorite card. And you know, I'm not a big fan of using all your supplies on one card, but I just said, you know what, I'm going to make the card the way I was inspired to make it. And I used 3 stickers and 5 epoxy dots, but this is my favorite card out of the whole one, and I made it and I used my supplies. So, you know, that's the name of the game this year, is to use my supplies, because I have it all around me. I just got on Facebook and went to Stash Your Bash or something on Facebook. I forget the name of it, but hoping for some ideas from them to help me use up my stash. But really trying to cut down on buying and using more. So cutting down on buying but using more is what I should say. So anyway, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 19 cards, and that was with not even using a whole sheet of the white paper, and really just taking my time. This took me like an entire 2 weeks to do complete. But also because I'm coming out of the whole card making stage, I'm struggling. But I did it, and I'm gonna hop back on some scrapbooking layouts and get my mojo back into that. And I hope you guys are enjoying your kits and making wonderful layout cards, or whatever you do with them. I don't know, some people convert them into scrapbooking, which is awesome. I hadn't thought about doing that actually, because they come with 8.5 by 11 layout or sheets of paper, so it's not like I couldn't do that. Point to ponder. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and we'll see you next time. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff. See you later. Bye.